Good evening, friends. This is Donald Abraham, URK17CS041. Today I'm here to tell you something about inheritance. So, the question that I was given was 14th one. So, the question goes like this: all the banks operating in India are controlled by RBI. So, RBI has set a well defined guidelines. Example: minimum interest rates, minimum balance allowed, minimum withdrawal limits, which all banks must follow. For example, suppose RBI has the set of minimum interest applicable to a saving bank account to be 4% annually. However, banks are free to use 4% interest or to set any rates above it. Write a program to implement bank functionality in the above scenario. Create few classes, namely customer account, RBI base class, and a few derived classes such as SBI, ICI, CI, PNP, etc. Assume and implement required variable functions in each class. So the program done by me is this one. So I will tell you how it goes. So I've created the base class RBI, and in a protected mode I've done the customer and account details and all. INR is the interest rate and the VIL is the withdrawal limit. And then I have assigned a withdrawal limit as 500 by default by 500, and then I will return the withdrawal limit. Okay. So in the getter function I'm asking for the name and the account number, and then in class SBI as a derived class, and then RBI base class I am inheriting. So in private I have done balance as a data type data member, and then I'm going to the SBIS function for the getter and account number to input. And then in withdraw function I'm basically doing the withdraw functionality, such as I'm entering the balance I'm entering, and the amount to be withdrawn. So if the amount to be withdrawn, if the resulting balance is less than the withdrawal limit, then I'm not allowing that person to withdraw. I'm directly displaying refused. And if withdrawn, then I'm updating the balance, and then I'm showing the updated balance also. Same with the PNB I have done, and then in the main function I've created R means RBIs, S means SBI, and PNB. So I've created three arrays, and then doing with the menu driven like program. See out SBI and PNB. If one, then one is SBI, else PNB. And then I'm returning, entering the value of 1 or 0. If you want to continue, then 1, then it will go up again, and if the until RI is 1. So if RI is 1, it will go again and again until it is 0. So let's see how it goes. PNB. So let's see PNB. 0. Enter name is Donald. Account number is 0 balance is 700. Amount to be withdrawn is 200. So so the withdrawal limit is 500, so it's maintaining on the balance. That's why it has been withdrawn, and the updated balance is 500. If at all, like in SBI Bank I went and made an account on my name, 34 account number, and balance is 700. So amount to be withdrawn, it's taken as 300. So the resulting balance will be 400. So it should not withdraw. Okay. So that's all for today. This was my first question that I have to do. In the second question I will tell you, the second question goes like this. Imagine a publishing company that markets both book and artistic versions in its work. Create a class publication that shows the title and price of the publication. From this class derive two classes: book, which adds a page count, and tape, which adds a playing time in minutes. Each of three classes should have a get data function to get its data from the user at the keyboard, and a put data function to display its data. Write a main program to display the book and tape classes by creating instances of them, asking the user to fill in data with the get data, and then displaying data with the put data. So this is the program that I've designed. So class publication, string, title, float, price, I'm taking as a data member, and then get data I'm entering the title and the price, and put data I'm printing the title and the price. Same. So one derived class book, base class publication, taking the pages, then get data I'm getting the number of pages, and then put data I'm printing the number of pages, and then include minutes I'm getting the number of minutes. Put data I'm printing the number of minutes. It's a pretty easy question, that's why. And then I've created one object, book B, and tape T. I'm getting the data for B and T, putting the data for B and T. So that's my program. Let's see how it works. Title is Donald. Let's take as Donald. Price 400. Enter the pages like 300. Enter the title Siki. Price is 800 and pages is 700. So title Donald, price 400, pages 300, title Siki 800, 700. That's the program says. So this was my program. Please like, share, and subscribe, and do comment on my video for further more exciting videos. Thank you for seeing my video.